An increasingly popular form of medical treatment is animal-assisted therapy, and Burlington's Lahey Hospital is complementing its own outstanding care services with Zest.
Pet therapy is gaining a lot of ground in hospitals and nursing homes and institutions, libraries, schools, because of the difference that it makes in the lives of patients, staff, children learning to read in a library, students in exams of universities and colleges.
Pulminary critical care physician Dr. Anthony Gray
That's who I'm looking for.
has been with Lahey for over 30 years and works in the intensive care unit with Zest.
In the ICU, the patient acuity, the level of illness is quite great. Though it's maybe very stressful within the ICU, when Zest walks in the room, pretty much everyone's level of calm just increases tremendously.
The staff, they just fawn all over her. The patients fawn all over her. The families, they love it. You know, they come to me frequently and say, "Is Zest coming today? Is Zest coming today?" You know, she just really lifts the mood in the unit and, you know, gives that staff that, you know, reinvigoration.
Lahey's canine companion has been able to give patients her own unique kind of comfort.
People who can't talk because of they have a breathing tube in place, but they'll reach over and Zest will put her paws on the bed and they just they melt.
Patients, you know, will go from a withdrawn state sometimes because they're depressed about being in the intensive care unit to having their face just completely light up. It's really a dose of great medicine.
I asked about hygiene concerns having a dog in a sanitary environment.
There is some hesitation. However, you know, the literature shows that the great benefits that a therapy dog can have on the patients, the families, and the staff.
There is a little bit of a risk in having animals within the hospital setting, but we did vet this through the infectious disease department, and they felt it was okay to have the animals come for visitations.
And when you see the difference that this dog and the other dogs can make with patients and the patients' families, it's just, it's very touching. But it really speaks volumes of what pet therapy can do in an institution such as Lahey.
It's working out fantastic.
She's a therapy dog, not just for the patients, but for the staff as well, too.
From Lahey Hospital, I'm BNEWS reporter Tad Stefanak.